Next morning, Mutt traveled with Billy to the big city station. Mutt was sure Lily could help her grandpa, and together they could help me. But only if Lily met someone special at shining time first.
Attention passengers, the train for Muffle Mountain will depart from track 3, last stop Muffle Mountain. The train for Shining Time will depart from track 4. Shining Time, track
4. I don't suppose you know where track 3 is, do you? You do? Is it that one? Well, why not? I hope you're right.
Mutt was feeling pleased with himself. He had put Lily on the wrong train, but he knew he had done so for the right reasons.
I know how the moon must feel, looking down from the heavens, smiling at the silly things we put ourselves through, missing magic each day and not seeing the wonder. That's how the moon must feel. I know how the moon must feel when he makes someone happy. That's the feeling I will feel when you smile at me. I'll be floating on air, I'll be beaming with wonder. That's how the moon must feel.
Left a bit, right a bit, up a bit,
There, James. Tickle all gone now?
Nope, still ishy. Mr. C, why you look so tired? Is it 'cause I'm red? Diesel says red is a very tiring color, but Mr. C, it looks so good in the snow. It's not me, is it?
Oh, no, of course not, James. I think that's pretty bright and cheerful.
Oh, good.
Just like my sparkle. Well, at least it was. And must be again. Oh, I'm sorry, James. I'm going to the windmill to search for someone important. Now off you go to work, please.
Okay, Mr. C, keep your steam up.
What happened? Where's the windmill? Oh, that's where I'm supposed to be. Oh, well, now I completely lost my sense of direction. Now my gold dust really is all gone. And if I can't find a source for making more, I know how bad the consequences I saw in my dream last night. Oh, the family never told me what to do for gold dust crisis. They only said if you can't remember the clue, the windmill will remind you, but where is the windmill? And what is the clue?
Smile, Steamies. It's a sunny day. Brum brum.
It's not sunny. Mr. C isn't at the windmill. I looked.
I think his sparkle's all gone.
My smoke box doesn't feel sunny. It feels snuffed up.
Nasty fumes from Dingy Diesel.
And Diesel is after the lost engine.
And if he finds her, I fear that he'll destroy us all.
Destroy us all! 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 Destroy us all!
I'll take the chicken.
Destroy us all! 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 Destroy us all!
What, even an engine as big as me?
Yes, Golden, even you.
Choo!
Say it, don't spray it, Thomas.
I still got sneezing powdered up my funnel. Now I'm off to look for Mr. Conductor.
Let us get back to work. That's what would he want.
How about a race, Thomas? Brum, brum, brum.
Sorry, Birdie. I can't today. I have to be a really useful engine and solve some mysteries instead.
I guess that means I win. Perhaps another day. Brum, brum, brum.
What's that? What's this? Left your thinking cap behind. Tries instead, you're good for the brain. Gone fishing rabbits. Well, well, well. How very thoughtful. Plane. Jane. Mountain. Fountain. That might be something. I think I better try the celery. Sausage. Bicycle. Huh. Toothpaste. Beach. Huh. Wait a minute. Beach, that's it! That's it! I have to find a bellflower. I need to make a call. Where's my cell phone? Hello? Junior? Junior, is that you? Oh, hi cuz. Are you in the tunnel? There's not a very good line. Junior, where are you? I'm in paradise. I just got here from Clyde 9 and here I am. Junior, listen to me. You gotta come to the island of Sorrow right now. Now? But I'm waiting for the perfect wave. Oh no, you're not. You're coming here. You have to help me find the source of all our family's gold dust. What is the source? That's the trouble, Junior. I don't have a clue. And I've used up most of my gold dust too. What? Then go to Shining Time Station first. In my signal house in a box under the staircase, you'll find the emergency vessel with the rest of my supply. Please take care of this, Junior, and don't talk to anyone about the buffers. What buffers? Shh. This is a really bad line. Hello? My cell phone's not working properly. Junior, gotta come in right away. I'm counting on you. Hello? Oh, I want my money back.
Shining time? What does that mean? Do you want me to get off here? Where is everyone? What have you brought me here for?
Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Why, one of those cake. No cake. Oh, that's not cake. Oh, how cute. 5 little glass figurines. Oh, hello. I have to get to the island. I need to find cousin. Oh, I need to get to cousin. Hey, oh. Who are you?
I'm Lily. Who are you?
See you, Junior. Did I drop my sunglasses when I came in here?
I don't know.
Oh, I gotta get some of this stuff. See you, Lily.
But what is this stuff?
Magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust? Is someone there? Thomas, is that you?
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas?
Oh, Mr. Conductor! Where are you?
Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?
Excuse me, are you Lily?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Stacy Jones. I'm the manager here. Your grandpa's very upset. You must have gotten on the wrong train. I better take you back to Muffle Mountain.
Thank you. Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did say Tasha was a wonderful dancer.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name when they were talking.
I wish... Oh, never mind.
Stacy, I'm a little nervous.
Well, maybe your grandpa is too. It's been a while since you've seen each other. Hello, Burnett.
Stacy? Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy, you said I wish.
I wish. Oh, yes. I wish you can come back and visit us tomorrow at Shining Time, if your grandpa lets you.
Here, Grandpa. This is a friendship bracelet. Grandma taught me how to make one when I was little. This one's for you.
Thank you, Lily.
As the sound of Vay's magic echoed through the night on Muffle Mountain, the engines on Soda had been very much little thoughts.
Thomas, I was thinking, how does Mr. Conductor travel here?
By gold dust.
Maybe if there's a lost engine, maybe there might be a lost railway too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
Ooh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he traveled here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Ooh, my wheels are suddenly veering very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you two. The Diesel heard every word you said.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm going after him and see what he does next. You better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
I hope the diesel won't bother a very old engine like me. He thinks I'm very useless.
I've been working on the railway all the live long day. Yeah, who wants to work a live long day anyway?
There he is.
Come in, and join the party, Splodge.
Hooray, hooray! We're gonna have a party. I love parties. Yeah. Oh, who's got the balloons?
What?
Correction! Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkle Toes Magic Railway is gonna be over.
Oh?
God! Like the lost engine and the buffers that lead to her.
Oh, so what are you gonna do? Yeah, that's right, yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkle Toes' lights out.
Oh?
This is a job for the boss!
Oh, okay, so yeah.
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old teapot!
Uh-oh.
Smash him! Wait, what? Oh, no,
Oh, boss, no, careful, no.
God. Pinchy, get back here! Pinchy, don't make me come up there! I hate it when you do this! Pinchy!
Good show.
So boss, did you mean to do that?
I always mean what I do, you rattle traps.
Diesel was in a dump, but the steam engines were still right on track.
He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He huffs and puffs and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so. Now he's got a branch line to call his very own. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's the one. He's the one. He's the really useful engine that we adore. He's the one. He's the number one. Thomas the Tank Engine. He's the really useful engine we adore.
Morning, Henry. What's the matter?
I've got boiler ache.
And I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trucks of special island of solar coal for you.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. Special coal will make me feel much better.
Oh, I wish I could make Mr. Conductor feel better too, by fighting him.
Hello, Thomas and your 5 coal tracks. Brum brum.
5? But I was supposed to have 6. Hello, Percy.
Oh, Thomas. I've been worried about you. Birdie says you lost a coal truck today.
Yes, it disappeared when I was at the buffers, near the little grotto.
Maybe those are the buffers that lead to the secret railway.
And the grotto is the lost engine special platform.
Oh, yes!
Percy, you protect the buffers from Diesel.
What?
And I'll find Mr. Conductor.
Me? Why me?
Because you're a brave engine, Percy.
Oh, I forgot.